So when we get shipments in, most of it goes straight downstairs to our storage space, or it stays at our cutting company and they store it for us before it gets cut. So when it gets here, it goes out to a cutter and they cut it all on massive 30-yard long tables, and they cut it hundreds and hundreds of layers high. We just don't have the space to be able to do that, nor the expertise to have a full-time cutter on staff. So that gets sent out to get cut. Then we bring it back in here. It's stored in piles based on its size and its print. Then it goes through the steps of production. So it goes out, either out to get zippered, or it stays in house to get zippered. And then it gets through the sergers and flipped and sent out for piecework to get tagged and stuffed and get ready to go. Then it gets stored in, either it gets stored in bins that are going to get sent in small pieces to stores or to customers, or it gets stored in case lots of hundreds and gets sent out to distributors.
When we make decisions about labor, we have a few options. So one is we do in-house sewing, which you can probably hear in the background. We also use the nonprofit association available to us, which we visited earlier. And then we have at-home contract sewers as well. So there's a lot of things that go into